जनवाया गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यमुना तीरा वनचारी जयो राधा माधवा कुंज विहारी हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामा राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम हरे हरे Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। यत्र भागवता राजन् साधवो विशदाशयः भगवद्गुणानुकथना श्रवणाव्याघ्रचेतसः। 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 यत्र भागवता राजन् साधवो विशदाशयः भगवद्गुणानुकथना श्रवणाव्याघ्रचेतसः।
यत्र भागवता राजन् साधवो विशदाशयः भगवद्गुणानुकथना श्रवणाव्याघ्रचेतसः।
यत्र भागवता राजन् साधवो विशदाशयः भगवद्गुणानुकथना श्रवणाव्याघ्रचेतसः।
यत्र भागवता राजन्
Yes, online. Anybody wants to chant?
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
यत्र भगवताराधनं साधवो विशदाशयः भगवद्गुणानुकथना श्रवणव्यग्रचेतसः।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। यत्र भागवताराजन् साधवो विशदाशयाः भगवद्गुणानुकथना श्रवण व्याघ्रचेतसः। हरे कृष्ण
प्रभु जी।
यत्र भागवताराजन् साधो विशदाशया भगवत गुणानुकथना श्रवण व्याग्रह चेतसः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
यत्र भगवताराजन् साधु वा विशदाशयाः भगवत गुणानुकथनं श्रवण व्याघ्रोचेतसा। हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। दंडवत प्रणाम। यत्र भागवताराजन् साधवो विशदाशयः भगवद्गुणानुकथनं श्रवणं व्यग्रचेतसः।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। यत्र भागवताराजन् साधवो विशदाशयः भगवद्गुणानुकथना श्रवण व्यग्रचेतसः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। यत्र भगवताराजन् साधवो विशदाशयः भगवद्गुणानुकथन श्रवण व्यग्रचेतसः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। थैंक यू।
यत्र भागवताराजन् साधवो विशदाशयः भगवद्गुणानुकथन श्रवण अव्यत्रचेतसा। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। यत्र भागवताराजन् साधवो विशदाशयः भगवद्गुणानुकथन श्रवण व्यग्रचेतसः। हरे कृष्ण।
यत्र भगवताराजन् साधो विशदाशया भगवद्गुणानुकथन श्रवण व्यग्रचेतसा तस्मिन् हन्मुखता मधु दीक्षादित्र पीयूष शेष। हरे कृष्ण।
तस्मिन् महान् मुखरिता मधुभिच्चरित्रा पीयूषशेष सरिता परिता शवन्ति ताये पिबन्ति अमृतशो निपगाढ कर्णैः अन्ना स्पृशन्ति आसन त्रिदुभयशोकमोहः। Yatra, where Bhagavataha, great devotees, Rajan, O king, Sadhavaha, saintly persons, Vishada Ashayaha, broad-minded, Bhagavat, of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Guna, the qualities, Anukanthana, to regularly recite, Shamana, to hear, Vyagra, eager. Just wait 1 second. Chetasaha, whose consciousness, Tasmin, there, Mahat, of the great saintly persons, Mukharitaha, emanating from the mouths, Madhubit, of the killer of the Madhu demon, Charitra, the activities or the character, Piyusha, of nectar, Shesha, surplus, Saritaha, rivers, Paritaha, all around, Shavanti, flow, Taha, all of them, Ye, they who, Pibanti, drink, Abitrshaha, without being satisfied, Nipa, O king, Gadha, attentive, Karnai, with their ears, Tan, them, Na, never, Sprishanti, touch, Ashana, hunger, Trit, thirst, Bhaya, fear, Shoka, lamentation, moha, illusion. My dear king, in the place where pure devotees live, following the rules and regulation, and thus purely conscious and engaged with great eagerness in hearing and chanting the glory of Supreme Personality of Godhead, in that place, if one gets a chance to hear this constant flow of nectar, which is exactly like waves of a river, one will forget the necessities of life, namely hunger and thirst, and become immune to all kind of fear, lamentation, and illusion.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Ki Jai. The cultivation of Krishna consciousness is possible where great devotees live together and constantly engage in hearing and chanting the glories of the Lord. In a holy place like Vrindavana, there are many devotees constantly engaged in chanting and hearing the glories of the Lord. If one gets a chance to hear from pure devotees in such a place, allowing the constant flow of the river of nectar to come from the mouth of the pure devotees, then the cultivation of Krishna consciousness becomes very easy. When one is engaged in constantly hearing the glories of the Lord, he certainly rises above the bodily conception. When one is in the bodily conception, he feels the pangs of hunger and thirst, fear, lamentation, and illusion. But when one is engaged in hearing and chanting the glories of the Lord, he transcends the bodily conception. The word Bhagavat Gunanukatana Shravana Vyagra Chetasaha, meaning always eager to find the place where the glories of the Lord are being heard and chanted, is significant in this verse. A businessman is always eager to go to a place where business is transacted. Similarly, a devotee is very eager to hear from the lips of liberated devotees. As soon as one hears the glories of the Lord from the liberated devotees, he immediately becomes impregnated with Krishna consciousness. This is also confirmed in another verse. Pratam prasangam mama virya samvido bhavantirutkarna rasayana rataha tajjoshana dasvapavarda vartamani shraddharate bhaktir anupramishyati. In the association of pure devotees, discussion of the pastimes and activities of the Supreme Personality of Godhead is very pleasing and satisfying to the ear and the heart. But by cultivating such knowledge, one gradually becomes advanced in the path of liberation, and thereafter he is freed and his attraction becomes fixed. Then real devotion and devotional service begin. Srimad Bhagavatam 3.25.25. In the association of pure devotees, one becomes attached to hearing and chanting the glories of the Lord. In this way, one can cultivate Krishna consciousness, and as soon as this cultivation is advanced, one can become faithful to the Lord, devoted to the Lord, and attached to the Lord. And thus, one can very quickly attain full Krishna consciousness. The secret of success in the cultivation of Krishna consciousness is hearing from the right person. A Krishna conscious person is never disturbed by the bodily necessities, mainly eating, sleeping, mating, and defending. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
The next shloka is same, so we can do. Etai padurto netyam जीवलोका स्वभावजय न करोतिर हरे नूनम कथा अमृतनिधौ रतिम. Because the conditioned soul is always disturbed by the body necessities of hunger and thirst, he has very little time to cultivate the attachment to hearing the nectated words of the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Purport. Unless one is associated with devotees, he cannot cultivate Krishna consciousness. Nirjana bhajana, cultivating Krishna consciousness in a solitary place, is not possible for the neophyte, for he will be disturbed by the bodily necessities, eating, sleeping, mating, and defending. Being so disturbed, one cannot cultivate Krishna consciousness. We therefore see that devotees known as Sahajiya, who make everything very easy, do not associate with advanced devotees. Such persons, in the name of devotional activities, are addicted to all kinds of sinful acts, illicit sex, intoxication, gambling, and meat eating. There are so many so-called devotees passing themselves off as devotees while engaging in these sinful activities. In other words, one who is influenced by sinful activity cannot be accepted as a person in Krishna consciousness. A person addicted to sinful life cannot develop Krishna consciousness as indicated in this verse. Hare Krishna.
ओम अज्ञान कर दिया. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जना शलाकया चक्षुरुमिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषाय शून्यवादी पाशात देशतारिणे। जयो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। एतैरुपद्रुतो नित्यं जीवलोका स्वभावजय। न करोतिर्हरे नूनम् कथा अमृत निधौ रतिम्। Because the conditioned soul is always disturbed by the bodily necessities such as hunger and thirst, he has very little time to cultivate attachment to hearing the nectarian words of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
So now coming to hunger and thirst. Now if somebody is disturbed by hunger and thirst and other bodily necessities, it's very difficult for him to focus on Krishna consciousness. Now this may look extraordinary, but actually that is the effect of hearing the Shuddha Naam. If somebody hears the Shuddha Naam, what is going to happen? Automatically it loses hunger and thirst. Quite interesting. He is not interested. Can you just imagine? The development of taste for hearing Krishna consciousness is actually the first step in spiritual life. Sometimes what happens, we get lost into some services, like I'm doing this, I'm doing that. But we should never forget the foundation. Shrameva Kevalam. Who knows the shloka? Shrameva Kevalam. Dharma Sanushrita Pumsa.
धर्म स्वनुष्ठिता पुंसां विश्वक्सेन कथासु यः नोत्पादिनेत रतिं श्रम एव हि केवलम्.
Very good. Anybody else know the shloka?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. धर्मस्वनुष्ठित पुंसां विश्वक्सेन कथासु यः नोत्पादयेत् यदि रतिं श्रम एव हि केवलम्.
Very important this verse. So therefore, spiritual life means an interest to desire to hear about the Lord. Why it is so? Because that is the symptom you are developing love for God. You know, you say I love somebody, आप बोलते मेरे को उससे बहुत प्यार है और उसके बाद सुनने का इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, तो कुछ कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी लग रहा है ना? लग रहा है कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी, कुछ गड़बड़ है ना? आपको उसमें इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए. Like a mother loves about the child, she is ready to interest to hear about the child. So we have developed love for Krishna and not developed any taste to hear about Krishna, shows something is wrong. Because क्या है ना, भक्ति तो कर रहे हैं. All of you we are talking, let us see what we take home from here. भक्ति तो कर रहे हैं, but taste नहीं develop हो रहा है. मतलब the offenses are going along. The offenses, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu signifies as the weeds. So we are practicing Krishna consciousness. Shri Radha Govinda ki jai. But along with practicing Krishna consciousness, when we are chanting, see everybody, every day we can see, no? Just like Vedavyasa was introspective. So we can also be introspective. I'm chanting. Taste नहीं आ रहा, मन नहीं कर रहा जप करने का. So मेरे से कुछ अपराध हो गया है. Obvious है. Actually जिसको टेस्ट होता है ना उसको अपराध से डर लगता है. जो जिसको टेस्ट नहीं है उसको अपराध से क्या डर लगता है. तो वैसे ही मुश्किल से कर रहा है कुछ. तो श्रमेव केवलम. So then we कितना क्या किया ये सब. Prabhupada says that. He says if you do not follow the regulative principles, in spite of so many years of your effort in spiritual life, everything will become waste. सब बर्बाद होगा. खल बकवास. End of the day, what we carry with when we leave the body is taste to hear about Krishna. The more the taste to hear about Krishna, the more the taste to hear about Krishna, that determine where you go. If you do not have taste to hear about Krishna, then your karmas will take care. You'll thrown into the species, some species across the universe. So-called devotee you'll remain. But your taste is not there. No? See, yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tajate. Yeah, who knows the shloka?
यं यं वापि स्मरन् भावं यजति यं एवेति कौन्तेय तदा तद्भावभावितः.
Yes, anybody else?
यं यं वापि स्मरन् भावं त्यजन्ते स्मरन्
Tam tam.
तमेवेति कौन्तेय
Sada.
तं तं
Kaunteya sada. Yeah, sada tadabhava bhavita. Okay, so whatever you remember at the time of death, you get a body accordingly. Okay, so with life, इसमें क्या हो रहा है? We are cultivating every moment you spend time on something. What happens? ध्यायते विषया पुंसा.
ध्यायते विषया पुंसां संगस्तेषोपजायते संजायते कामान् कामान् क्रोधोऽभिजायते.
Very good.
क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः.
Finish it, finish it.
क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् बुद्धिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रमः स्मृतिनाशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति.
So what are we doing in that? Whatever we are contemplating, we are developing gradually attachment and taste for that. है ना? जैसे कुछ लोग होते हैं, you may say what is this? कुछ लोग होते हैं दारू पीते हैं, इतनी बदबूदार चीज है, इतनी बदबूदार चीज है, समझ नहीं आती, लेकिन they can't, उसको टेस्ट है, वो दारू नहीं तो मर जाते लोग, है ना? सुसाइड कर लेते हैं. In COVID times, so many people, when the liquor shops are closed, they committed suicide. नहीं जीना ही नहीं है मेरे को, मैं नहीं जी सकता उसके बिना. We see so many people develop taste for sinful activity, है ना? They just go and kill somebody. Just because the girl is, every day it happens, they get into some relationship and the girl or a boy doesn't want to talk, so they do some action. काट देते हैं, मार देते हैं, है ना? Taste develop हो गया, taste. Ajamil ka to we studied that thing. Oh, he got involved. He was very nicely living a pious life. By foolish contemplation, it developed some taste. So much taste, he left his family, he left everything and ran away. We see so many people do that, run away somewhere because taste has developed. So we can develop good taste and we can develop bad taste. Definitely it's the business of the king to see. Like Parikshit Maharaj's kingdom, you cannot develop these tastes. Exemplary punishment will give up. Touch a liquor, touch a cigarette, you break any four regulative principles, exemplary punishment was there. Nobody will dare to do it. So nicely organized. And that is good kingdom because he is protecting people. Kingdom means he is protecting people from developing unwanted taste. He is protecting. Now we are in a situation, this protection is not from the government. You can drink and it is legal. Correct? You can live with a girl without marriage. It is legal. हो सकता है, allowed है. Correct? जुआ कर सकते हो. Many ways it is legal. आपका share market, this, that. मतलब सुबह खरीदा शाम को बेचा, it's a business. जुआ only, you can do that. And कुछ तरह से कुछ some lotteries you can purchase, it is legal. So जुआ कर सकते हो कुछ तरह से. Intoxication, gambling, illicit sex, and meat eating, another sinful activity. It's legal, you can purchase. See, the point is that the rules and why Krishna comes, because these tastes are such. Prabhupada says here in the purport, somebody is breaking regulatory principles will not develop Krishna consciousness. बोला ना? बोला? अभी देखा ना? There are many so-called devotees passing themselves off as devotees while engaging in this sinful activity. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur called them, they are not devotees, they are Kali Chela. Kali ke shishya, pyare shishya Kali ke. In other words, one is influenced by sinful activity. Influenced means if he has developed the taste for sinful activities, cannot be accepted as a person, because Yogamaya will not enter that heart. He may have knowledge, he may have philosophy, but Yogamaya will not enter the heart, and rather, whatever he speaks will not have any impact. And worst, it can act as poison. In other words, one is influenced by sinful activity, cannot be accepted as a person in Krishna consciousness. A person addicted to sinful life cannot develop Krishna consciousness as indicated in the, because heart is dirty, ganda hai, tu. Usme Krishna will not sit. Now suppose you invite Krishna and you make a nice throne, how we do? Just like we do for Jhulan, they are arranging, they will clean it up, make nice. But if the place is dirty, then what you can do? You cannot do anything. The Lord will not come. So you want Krishna consciousness Krishna to accept us. So you have to take care of the 10 offenses. The holy name क्यों हर दिन रिसाइट करते हैं कि क्या उपचार है, क्या है? उसका मीनिंग है भाई, ये 16 माला कर रहे हो पूरा बर्बाद हो जाएगा अगर ऑफेंसेस फॉलो करो, कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा. इफ यू आर डूइंग ऑफेंसेस, जब करते रहो फॉर crores and crores of years, it will not have any effect. है ना? होगा ना? कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. चैतन्य चरितामृत says for billions of years you can keep chanting, it will have no use. कुछ फायदा. At the end of the day, why we are chanting? क्यों जब कर रहे हो भाई? You want to go back to the spiritual world? नहीं जा सकते. Not allowed. If you are making offenses. And very symptom is that when we are chanting, we should be progressing. And progressing means Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti is happening. What Anartha Nivritti? I am doing sinful activities. What Anartha Nivritti? We are not talking about subtle, gross sinful activities that are happening. Then क्या करोगे तुमको? है ना? Nishtha. Then you develop firm faith, because you will have bhakti pareshanubhava. When you are practicing bhakti, following the rules and regulations, then pareshanubhava will happen. You will have spiritual experiences, anubhava, spiritual experiences, very happy in spiritual life, so much joy in spiritual life. Bhakti pareshanubhava, virakti anyatha, then virakti will develop. And then what is saying is that you have shoka, moha. You see that the list is given. Tanna sprishanti. That person will not even touch. Kya? He will not, sprishanti matlab? Sparsh karna, chuna. He will not even touch. What is there? Ashana, eating. Khane ka time nahi. It's not that we are speaking a story. We will take so many examples now of that. Do you think Parikshit Maharaj said, Shukdev Goswami thoda rukna? Even Arjuna said, Krishna jara ek samosa kha lo. मतलब आप 45 मिनट से लगे हुए हो, मतलब थोड़ा भूख लग रही है, पानी लाना कोई है तो 2 गिलास पानी तो लाओ. मतलब पर्सन कम्स इन सच अ ट्रांसेंडेंटल, बिकॉज आत्मा को तो सब नहीं चाहिए ना. आत्मा को खाना चाहिए? नहीं चाहिए. आत्मा को पानी चाहिए? नहीं चाहिए. So the person becomes so elevated that actually he loses interest in hunger. And person is all the time thinking किधर खाना खाऊंगा, किधर खाना खाऊंगा, पूरा टाइम जानवर की तरह वही सोचता रहता है. What spiritual life he will do? है ना? Therefore Prabhupada says person is running around in this world for two purposes, to satisfy his tongue and genitals is unfit for spiritual life. है ना? ये कैसा होगा, वो कैसा, उससे क्या जानवर है वो, क्या समझेगा वो? ना स्पृशंति अशना, hunger, trit, thirst. We were talking about thirst so many times. Trishna, we have thirst for sense enjoyment. And when till the time there is thirst for sense enjoyment, the pleasure of Krishna consciousness will not come. But don't stop chanting. You keep chanting, the thirst will be destroyed for sense enjoyment, medicine. And then bhavaushadi. And then what will happen? Then you will develop the nectar. Trit, thirst, bhaya, no fear. Shoka, no lamentation. Moha, illusion. Okay. So in a Krishna conscious movement in ISKCON, everybody we give the chance for first initiation. But second initiation will not take an effect. See, it's not that Guru doesn't want to give. It will not have any effect. Because Gayatri Mantra only works in Sattva-guna. It does not work on Rajoguna, Tamoguna. It doesn't, वो science है ना? Rajoguna, Tamoguna वो काम नहीं करेगा वो. It has no effect. So many people वो टेप लगा के चलते हैं, तो ISKCON के लोग तो नहीं देते, हमको कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं क्या? है ना? हमको भी दे देना चाहिए गायत्री मंत्र पब्लिक को. कुछ फायदा है ही नहीं. कोई फायदा नहीं है उसको देने का. Because that mantra only works in Sattva-guna. होता ना, just like when they have these rockets nowadays, there are different stages. And after it picks up even missile particles, then the second engine switches on. वो इंजन को ऑन करने की जरूरत नहीं है unless somebody has come to Sattva-guna. Therefore, in the Vedic times, the one person is qualified, then the Guru will give him Gayatri Mantra. Previously, Diksha meant actually Gayatri. Previously, Diksha meant Gayatri. So, you can see Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada and there is Gaur Krishna Babaji Maharaj, when he wanted to give the Kaan mein they used to tell the Gayatri Mantra. That was Diksha traditionally. और अभी भी वही है. दीक्षा मतलब ओपन है ना? क्या होता है? गायत्री मंत्र तो मिलता है ना? लेकिन अगर आदमी सत्वगुण में नहीं है, कोई फायदा नहीं है. इसलिए there is no point in giving. ऐसा नहीं है कि खाली ब्राह्मण को देते थे. नहीं, ब्राह्मण by quality, not just by birth. So Trishna, till there is Trishna in the heart, this will not take an effect. कोई फायदा नहीं है. नहीं प्रभु जी, हमको भी आजकल, I said it is open, everybody can take now Brahmin Diksha, provided you are doing service. Service नहीं कर रहे, हम service नहीं करना चाहते, तो no, nothing. You are not develop taste then. Somebody develop taste for chanting the Hare Krishna mantra, it is visible. वो खुद बोलता, प्रभु मेरे को सर्विस चाहिए. Trishna, because this Trishna has gone away. Bhaya, fear, shoka, lamentation, and moha, illusion. Bhaya, shoka, maha. So ठीक है, na sprishanti ashanatrit bhaya shoka moha. He will not even touch. Okay? Now, can you give me some example of somebody who actually, Prabhupada said the secret is he has to hear from the right place. Okay? From the right person. You see that? You have to hear from the right person. So, is there any example in Bhagavatam of somebody who heard from the right person, and this is the proof that he actually heard from the right person? Effect was that. Any example where this effect happened?
Parikshit Maharaj, Prabhuji.
Well, one by one. So we have Parikshit Maharaj example. Why do you say that? Explain it now. Defend it.
Prabhuji, because it is considered to be the ardent hearing that it is happening in the parampara in disciplic succession by Shukdev Goswami.
No, that's okay. But what happened to Parikshit Maharaj?
He transformed, Prabhuji. He was already a pure devotee of the Lord, but still he was relishing the taste because he was getting that nectar of hearing Krishna Katha from Shukdev Goswami.
No, that's fine, but you're looking for something. Did we see the symptom? Nasprishanti ashanatrit bhaya shoka moha. Was that effect on his personality after he heard Shukdev Goswami?
Prabhuji, although he was destined to die within 7 days, he was not touched by any kind of fear or
Very good.
so that
No
is why we
illusion,
can say that
no
he
bhaya.
was very
See,
calm and quiet, and he was relishing, although he was in such a distressful state, he was relishing the katha, and because of that, he was liberated. And I don't know what to say about it, Papuji. I know only this much.
no. Continue. Was Ashana visible in him?
Prabhuji, Ashana means?
Eating.
He was not eating for 7 days and 7
No,
nights.
Prabhuji, he
Very
was
good.
not eating. He was
Till
not
it-
even remembering whether he was hungry or not. He was in that realized state,
Take a
Prabhuji.
third. Was thirst visible in him?
No, Prabhuji.
Hey, Shukdev Goswami, 7 दिन हो गए, थोड़ा वेट का पानी लाओ या क्या?
He wanted to hear more and more about the Lord's activities.
Yes, Bhaya Shoka Moha. All the 5 symptoms became so. When you are chanting Hare Krishna properly, you are making the vibration in the order of the Acharya properly. Then these 5 things will be invisible. निकल जाएंगे. क्या निकल जाएंगे? आशना त्रित भय शोक मोहा का खाना पानी भया. Why we cannot chant? Because so much fear. What will happen? उसका क्या होगा? अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, उसके पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे? हरे कृष्णा हरे उसको मिलना है, हरे कृष्णा भया शोका illusion है ना. So varieties of Maya haunts the consciousness. ऐसे मजा करेंगे, अरे ये तो sinful activity, नहीं ऐसे मजा करें, नहीं ये नहीं करूंगा मैं. अशना शोका and मोहा and lamenting, अरे यार ये क्यों नहीं किया मैंने, है ना. In chanting time itself, all the 5 appear or not appear, है ना. जपा शुरू किया, हरे कृष्णा पानी लाओ थोड़ा, हरे कृष्णा कुछ है यार, कुछ नमकीन, कुछ कुरमुरा, हाँ थक जाते हैं. भय शोक मोहा, है ना. So varieties of these, all this. Okay, that was very good example, Parikshit Maharaj. Take another example and explain it. Yes, Vipin. Which example?
Yeah, Saunakadi Rishis, when they heard the things from under the leadership of Saunak Muni, when they heard the same thing from Sutta Goswami, what they heard, like the same conversation between Parikshit Maharaj and Sukdev Goswami, the same conversation took place between Saunakadi Rishis and Sut Goswami.
Okay, so then what happened?
Then they also came in the real Krishna consciousness. They got so much absorbed with the nectar that they wanted to hear more and more. Their questions were never ending, because once some questions were answered by Sut Goswami, they wanted to hear more and more questions asked.
Now you see the reality. See, at that time, if you want to hear Bhagavatam, you have to, because no books were not available, you have to go and sit somewhere. Now that Krishna's arrangement, book is lying on your table. वो वहीं का वहीं रहता है ना. कभी खोलते हैं क्या उसको? नहीं खोलते. Because we have not actually understood what is the benefit of hearing. Hearing तो कर सकते हो, मोबाइल को खोल के रील सुनते रहते हैं, है ना. हमको उसका फर्क and hearing a pure devotee का फर्क मालूम नहीं है. हमको उसका फर्क मालूम नहीं. When you hear a pure devotee, न स्पृशंति अशुनते तो भय शोक मोह हो जाता है. लेकिन कहा इसका क्या है ये सब? अरे सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएंगी. Whole life will become blessed if we just hear a pure devotee. How much we have heard for the benefit of hearing a pure devotee. Correct? Sadhu Sangha. Who knows the shloka?
साधु संग सर्व सिद्धि होय.
लव मात्र.
साधु संग सर्व शत्रु का लवली मात्र साधु सिद्धि होय.
ठीक है. And see, there is one more shloka here, which is a beautiful shloka. Satang, who knows the shloka? Anybody can sing and sing it nicely.
प्रसंगान् मम वीर्य संविदो भवन्ति हृत्कर्णरसायना कथः तज्जोषणादा स्वपवर्गवर्त्मनि श्रद्धारतिर्भक्तिरनुक्रमिष्यति.
Such a beautiful shloka is that. So Satam, when we, Prabhupada said, that's why he created ISKCON. Why did Prabhupada create ISKCON? As a movement, different part of the world, devotees can live together. Satam, but then they should be following regular principles, then it becomes Satam. Otherwise, Sata, Asat. Asat Sangha, Tyaga. Sata. Satam Prasangat, but Asat के साथ बैठे रहते हैं, सत के से इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. Satam Prasangat Mama Virya Samvido. हाँ भाई बैठो, it's very powerful Virya. Bhavanti Hritkarna Rasayana Kataha. This is so pleasing to the heart. Hritkarna is so pleasing to the heart. Tat Joshana Asha Apavarga Vartmini. And once more, chalo, let us go. I am not knowing word meaning, let us go there now. Satang, pure devotee, prasanga through the association. Mama Virya, my Virya means बहुत grateful activity to Krishna. Some we should hear. पूरे टाइम हिलते सुनते हैं, छोटे छोटे कीड़े मकोड़े के वीर्य सुनते हो. क्या सुनते हो, है ना? Therefore, that is said even for when you hear that Vaman Deva taking one step covering the, इससे बड़ा क्या सुन सकते हो भाई? इससे बड़ा कोई चीज है क्या? छोटे छोटे कीड़े मकोड़े के नाच सुनते रहते हैं, ऐसे मूर्ख लोग हैं. अरे सुनो ना, वो एक पैर पूरा यूनिवर्स कवर कर दिया. नहीं, वो नहीं सुनेंगे हम. Mama Virya Samvida, here Krishna is saying, they hear my glorious activity. Bhavanti, what happened? Hrita to the heart, Karna to the ear. Hrita Karna, Rasayan की तरह. Rasayan, आपको रसायन बनाना आता है किसी? Anybody knows what is a rasayana? हम एकादशी के दिन बनाते हैं. How do you make?
Bananas and coconut milk, sugar.
And then?
Banana, coconut and sugar.
Ilaichi powder.
Elaichi powder also. Little camphor also?
No, Prabhuji.
Sometimes we can add. No need, Prabhuji.
Only elaichi powder.
Sometimes we can add jackfruit also. Jackfruit, mangoes.
Then it becomes a rasayana. Very, very tasty, pleasing, very pleasing.
Yes,
So, Satang, but that means the proper person you have to select here. And that is in front of you. Prabhupada has given the books. But no, we don't have time. TV is there, no. Rasayana to udhar hai. मेरे को याद है, when I was childhood time, we used to watch the cricket match. खाना भी नहीं खाता था, पानी भी नहीं पीता था. ऐसा. और कभी कभी मैच में हार जाते हैं, तो अब मैं कभी नहीं देखेगा इसको, है ना? फिर देखते थे अगले दिन. So रसायन, तो रसायन कोई और है भी, ठीक है? कथाहा रसायन. Tad Joshanat, by cultivation, Ashu means it is not that karodo saal tak sunte rahoge. Ashu, quickly, Apavarga. Anybody knows what is Pavarga? Papa Baba Ma? What is the meaning of Papa Baba Ma? Form is Parishram. Then? Hena. Oh, so much parishram that foam is coming from the mouth. And then night out. Ba means?
Ba means bandhan.
Bandhana, vyartata. Take care. Bifala, waste. Bha means?
Bhaya.
Mo means? Mo, final? So we are stuck in Papa Baba Ma, but if we hear from Satam, that is the proof of Satam from pure devotee. What happens then? Apavarga Vartamani. We become to the path of Apavarga. Okay? And then 3 stages develop. So when we are actually sit down and peacefully hearing Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, what is happening? Shraddha. First firm faith develops. Ratihi, then attraction. The first stage will be Shraddha. Okay? Life is pure, you're chanting Hare Krishna, some Parishan Bhava will develop. Mind is becoming purified. Yeah. Abhi Bhagwan ka ocean love of Krishna nahi aayega sur mein, but at least Tamoguna is washed out, Rajoguna is washed out, mind is like a crystal clear lake. Shraddha, kaam kar raha hai, process kaam kar raha hai. Next, as you keep chanting on Shraddha, you are investing faith, a faith is confirmed, you feel chant more faithfully now. Rati, now taste will start coming, attraction will start coming. ठीक है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है यार, बहुत मजा आ रहा है। एंड भक्ति अनुक्रमशिति, एंड फाइनली लव फॉर कृष्णा विल मैनिफेस्ट इन द हार्ट। देखो दिया हुआ है, बट द थिंग इज वी शुड हियर फ्रॉम द राइट प्लेस। पर नहीं, टीवी से सुनेंगे रामायण, कर सुनो सुनो, जाओ जहर पियो, टीवी से सुनेंगे महाभारत, जाओ पियो जहर, क्या कर सकते हैं तुम्हारे, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, है ना। मायावादी लोग से सुनो, वो भी कृष्ण कथा। Chaitanya Mahaprabhu time it was somebody went to hear who was a personality. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, I will not meet him. He became very angry at him. Mukunda or somebody?
Mukunda.
Mukunda only. He went to one class by a Mayavadi, that's all. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, tell him I will not see him. He started crying. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, okay, I will see him after 1 million births. So he became ecstatic. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so happy to bring him. And when he came, दोबारा नहीं जाना मायावादी का क्लास सुनने, है ना। लेकिन हम लोग को क्या, मायावादी को सुनते रहते हैं। मायावादी भाष हुए सर्वनाश, बट हमको क्या है, हम तो हम यार चैतन्य महाप्रभु के नहीं है। वो मायावादी के पास बैठा था, कौन था वो, प्रकाशानंद सरस्वती से 7 दिन सरव भट्टाचार्य रहो 7 दिन सुना था। बट ही इज कृष्णा, वी आर नॉट कृष्णा, ठीक है। वी शुड बी, वी आर साधकास, वी आर वेरी वीक, वी शुड बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल, ओके। सो नाउ वी सी दैट इट इज हैपनिंग Satam Prasangat, so this was we were here, ठीक है। Secret of success is from hearing from the right person. Okay, any other example you have where we feel that somebody become free?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Jada Bharat Prabhuji. Jada Bharat.
Yes, example of Jada Bharata. So what we saw? What happened in Jada Bharata? Na sprishanti ashanatrit bhaya shoka mohaha. He was not interested. Yeah, tell me what happened to him in that life.
Prabhuji, he was acting like a deaf and dumb, and also he was eating the leftovers, like he was not eating proper food or anything. He was satisfied with whatever he had, and he was always in remembrance of Lord. And even when Rahuguna insulted him, he was not shaken, like he was equipoised in his behavior. And he also like said like in the conversation where he like even the king was, I mean, brought into realization, and he wanted him to take him as a disciple.
Very good, very good.
Even when he was brought for the sacrifice for the Durga, so the Durga Mataji appeared for his protection. Prabhuji.
But no bhaya. He did not show any bhaya. Look at that. Did you hear that? No bhaya. They were about to slaughter him. He was fearless sitting.
Another example is Mrugari actually, where after association with the Narad Muni, he left his original business to killing the animals half dead. So and what he told that because the only thing I know for maintaining my home is this business, but as per the Narad Muni instruction, he left everything and he changed actually. So the buy for the maintaining of his family members also went off because of
very
that.
good. So we got so many examples. We got the example of Parikshit Maharaj, 7 दिन तक पानी नहीं पिया. We got the sages of Naimisharanya. They were enjoying nectar. We got Arjuna. He was hearing from the right person. Correct? So we have so many beautiful examples. We got example of Jada Bharata. We got example of Mrigari. Then about Dhruva Maharaj, also very good example. What Dhruva Maharaj, what did he do?
He was being instructed by Narada Muni regarding bhakti and all. When he came to...
So point is he heard the right person. See the effect. You heard the right person. So much effect will happen if you hear the right person, but and we are again and again instructed to satsanga, 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 but moment you give them free time and free छोड़ो, mobile on and reel देख रहे हैं, असत्संगा शुरू, and असत्संगा क्या danger है, तो गए नरक में, है ना? महत सेवा द्वारा माहू मुख, you have half an hour with you free, what are you going to do? आपका लाइफ बिजी है. हम लोग को तो कुछ काम नहीं हो, तो मंदिर में पूरे दिन फ्री है. आपका लाइफ बिजी है, बच्चों का ध्यान रखना है, हस्बैंड का ध्यान रखना है, या वाइफ का ध्यान रखना है, ऑफिस में जाना है, इतना काम है. आधा घंटा फ्री मिला आपको, आधा घंटा फ्री मिला तो क्या करोगे उसमें? सत्संग करेंगे थोड़ा थोड़ा ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा And then what will happen? Na sprishanti asat tridbhaya shoka moha. So powerful is satsanga, you will be liberated. Totally liberated. This is a story for us. Actually, it's not story. It has happened.
Prabhupada,
Na sprishanti.
Srila Prabhupada went to America and he made so many disciples.
Why? Because they heard the right person.
Yes, yes.
And Prabhupada himself said when he came to India, he said, what was the condition? They were coming from, Prabhupada told Indian people, they are coming from rich homes. There is no question of shortage of food for them. But look what condition they are living. They just forgot everything. Na sprishanti. They don't even touch. Ashana, trit, bhaya, shoka, moha. Take care, fear, illusion, lamentation, all this vanish away. Pani, khana, kuch nahi. But people become so. That's the proof of coming to transcendental platform. Dhruva Maharaj was same example. Anybody can explain Dhruva Maharaj example? What happened?
Till his mother Suruchi.
No, that was saying. आगे की बात करो.
Hey, Prabhuji, when he went to this one, when he met Narad Muni, he became his guru and he instructed him that how you can progress in the spiritual path. First, he told him, "You're very small. You can't do this."
आगे की बात करो. आगे. He instructed him what?
He instructed him first how to control the breathing and then how to Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. This mantra
Very
he had
good.
given.
And then what was the effect? Was he eating once in 15 days? Once. Can you just imagine? Because he heard from the right source, what happened to him? Correct? Because he heard from the right source, he lost his desire for eating. Because we come on a spiritual platform, automatically ahar and nidra bhaya maithuna vanishes. That's the symptom of spiritually advanced person. Correct? Khane ka, sone ka, these things all vanish. So anyway, we are in the neophyte stage of spiritual life, so don't try to imitate Raghunath Das Goswami. वो 2 दिन में एक बार half glass butter. Don't focus there now. Neophyte stage, please focus on attentively hearing. First start hear from the right source. Then you will lose excitement for all these things. है ना? कुछ खाया ठीक है. Now let me absorption be in. Let me take the opportunity from hearing from the right person, and definitely then I become transcendental. You see, so many people went to America, but God, they were not the right people. People heard them, लेकिन कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ. एक आदमी कृष्ण का भक्त नहीं बना, नाम नहीं लेना चाहता, इतने आनंद आ गए, ये गए वो गए, कुछ नहीं कर पाए. उन्हीं पे कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं था. बोले तुलसी को क्या, इससे अच्छा कुछ फल लगाओ खाओ, हैं कि क्रिकेट खेलो, और वो क्रिकेट खेलना गीता खेलना सब बराबर है. ऐसे बकवास लोग. कुछ उन्हीं में कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं था. और क्या इफेक्ट करेंगे किसी को? कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं कर पाए. एक आदमी को कृष्ण भक्त नहीं बना पाए. इतने लोग गए थे प्रभुपाद के जाने के पहले वेस्ट में, एक कौड़ी का कुछ काम नहीं कर पाए. एंड प्रभुपाद वेंट, सब छोड़ छाड़ के, दे बिग प्रोफेशन, बिग जॉब, इतने कंफर्टेबल लाइफ, दे लेफ्ट एवरीथिंग एंड रेडी टू डू सो मच सैक्रिफाइस. है ना? टू दिस डे they are affected. When you hear a pure devotee, the impact is not for 1 or 2 days. Some of the people we know, more than 50 years are over now. They can, that anubhava of the acharya, they cannot. If very emotional hota hai, so kuch hota, to 1-2 दिन में निकल जाता है ना? Impact is so strong. Krishna, मुंह से कृष्णा निकल ही नहीं रहा. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was going all around India, same thing was happening. है ना? People were just seeing him, hearing him. They were becoming pure devotees. घर जा रहे थे और उनके सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स, अड़ोस पड़ोस सबको भक्त बना दे रहे थे. इतना इम्पैक्ट था, है ना? So that kind of impact we can have, provided we hear from the right place. वो ही गलती हम करते हैं बस. We are not strict. If somebody is speaking, कौन बोल रहा है? We should say, a person who is doing sinful activity, गलती से भी नहीं सुनने का उसको. If you hear him, gone, गए बिल्कुल. Because voice is full of papa karma. आपके, we should not even hear the vibration of sinful people. वो जाके पूरा अपना खिचड़ी पका देता है. But true, what do? We are living in a material world. बट अपना हार्ट नहीं देने का. हाउ आर यू, आई हर्ड योर बर्थडे यस्टरडे, वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस. बाहर का तमाशा चलता रहा. वी हैव टू डू, वी आर लिविंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड, बट अपना हार्ट वी डोंट गिव. See, hearing is, you cannot stop. Hearing submissively you can stop. But what happens to us is that we become impressed to somebody because he's very handsome, he's very beautiful, because he's very rich, he's very famous, and because of these things we hear a wrong person, not the right person, and then it destroys our. Okay? So now sprishanti asana trita bhaya shoka moha. We hear to the right person, these effects will be visible and we will advance in spiritual life. Hare Krishna everybody.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare
Krishna Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
The example of even prostitute.
Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
We have the example of Haridas Thakur also. Yes, when he was chanting Hare Krishna, the Maya Devi came. No illusion could touch him. नाचते रहो, है ना, कोई फायदा नहीं. माया का पूरा नाच चलता रहा, करते रहो नाच. हरे कृष्णा. Illusion could not touch him. है ना. Even food. Haridas Thakur used to finish his 192 round, then eat. उसके बाद खाना खाते थे. और हमारे तो क्या है, 16 माला के भी छोड़ा यार, पानी है, गरम गरम चलाओ, पकौड़े लाओ, है ना. चलो. Hare Krishna everybody. Hare Krishna Krishna
Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama.